the car. We got all these special pieces, and we're gonna use these special pieces to make a car.
Yep, and those are the instructions.
Hello guys, this is our car. We made it, and now we're gonna let this car dry, and then we're gonna cover it with paint, and then we're gonna put these stickers on it.
Sweet.
Look at that thing. Hello guys, we painted our cars, and now we're gonna use these stickers to make it look good. And Jackson wants to watch us make the stickers, and he wants to high five.
Boom. All right, why don't you put a few stickers on for him? Show him how to do it.
Okay.
Look, if you need a guide, look. That
See.
should help.
Okay guys, now it's time to put the stickers on.
Where you gonna put them, boss?
I'm gonna put the 24s and the fire things first.
Nice. It's kind of whatever you want. It's custom, you know?
Fire things, okay. Yes. Okay, first you get this fire thing.
This way.
Put it right here.
Show it to him. All right, we are going to show you the rest of it when we're done. Right, Isaac?
Yep.
Yeah, see you soon.
Okay, guys, now we finished our stickers. And now we got these awesome cars with the wheels, the back, the number 15, the doors, and all of the American little things. And that was the
This is Isaac's
with
car.
the fire. That was on my dad's car. And this is the thing with the firebox, electric box, the fire frame, stars, number 24. And stay tuned for our race with these two cars.
Down the slide.
Down the side.
Say peace, homies.
These homies.
Speedster Squad Axe. Please like, share, and subscribe.